Good morning. Today we are going to look at capacity, which is liquid volume. If you have a hollow cube measuring 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre, the volume will be 1 cubic centimetre. If you fill the small cube with water, the cube would hold 1 cubic centimetre. Cubic centimetres are usually used to define the volume of a solid shape. Liquid volume is measured in millilitres, where 1 millilitre is equal to 1 cubic centimetre. Another name for liquid volume is capacity. We say the cube has a capacity of 1 millilitre, 1 ml. We can say if we fill the cube with water, the cube would hold 1 ml. Let's look at an example from the class textbook. What is the capacity of the container? We would begin by setting out the formula we used earlier. The volume of a cuboid is equal to length times breadth times height. So that would be 15 times 10 times 4, which is equal to 600 cubic centimetres. But remember, we said every cubic centimetre is 1 ml. So the capacity, the liquid that container could hold would be 600 ml. Another thing to note is that 1,000 millilitres equals a litre. 1 litre is equal to 1,000 ml. Now, if you think of a container of orange juice that you could buy in the supermarket, then it's a litre of orange juice, 1,000 ml. And what that means is that cuboid shape could be filled by 1,000 cubes, 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre. So 1,000 ml is equal to 1 litre. So our container has a capacity of 600 ml, less than 1 litre. But we could express it as litres by dividing by 1,000. 600 divided by 1,000 would be 0.6. So the capacity we could express as 600 ml or 0.6 litres. Now you're going to do similar examples in your textbook. Thank you very much.